Mindful moves. Will standing on your head really make you smarter? Read by authors Donna Kim Brand and Richard Israel. In recent years, we as a global society have become more aware of the mind-body connection. However, we use our mind and we move usually without thinking much about either one. In Mindful Moves, we combine conscious movements of mind and body in order to enhance mental performance and overall well-being. Mindfulness is the awareness that emerges through paying attention on purpose, in the present moment, and non-judgmentally to things as they are. We are newly recognizing, or knowing again, that which sages of old have taught for ages, that tuning out distractions while strengthening inner resources is a key way to tune in to our enlightened humanity. However, humans are not created of just minds and brains. We have bodies and senses which are intimately involved in our experience of the rich tapestry of life. And we often leave these bits out in our quest for higher order living. Mindfulness can of course be cultivated through mental activity in stillness and in silence, but also in meaningful movements that simultaneously enhance your mind-body connection, hone your powers of attention, and boost your brain power. So, to answer the question, will standing on your head really make you smarter? Well, yes, actually. Standing on your head can make you smarter. Why? Because standing on your head causes increased blood supply to your brain, which brings with it increased oxygen to your brain. Since the brain is fueled by oxygen, standing on your head is like filling your brain's energy tank. Your brain consumes more than 20% of the oxygen used in your body. The brain uses oxygen as food in order to ensure healthy functioning. Outcomes include enhanced mental performance, strengthened immune system, sharper memory, and ability to focus. Weak memory, lack of concentration, diminished alertness, and poor balance are all side effects of your brain not getting enough oxygen. There are even established links between insufficient oxygen and disease. When you exercise, your breathing rate increases. This is because each cell in your body, including your brain, requires the elevated level of oxygen from your blood to produce the energy levels required to function at peak mental performance. Your brain and nervous system need 3 things for optimal functioning: proper nutrition, stimulation and activation, and lots of oxygen. In actuality, you don't really need to stand on your head to gain the benefits of oxygen to your brain. And this is where mindful moves come in. Each exercise use simple yet specific brain and body movements to tap into mental and physical stimulation as well as oxygenation so you may enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. These mindful moves evolved from actual use by the authors while teaching and learning in classrooms, boardrooms, and workout studios. The basic elements involved in each mindful move come from principles of neuroscience, along with exposure to energy medicine, smart moves, brain gym, NLP, and yoga. Practicing mindful moves helps speed up cognitive processing, improve concentration and calmness, enhance memory, exercises eye-hand coordination, and stimulates growth of new brain cells. The boost in confidence, knowing you are gaining control over your mental processes and getting results, acts to further stimulate brain growth and functionality. In addition, some of the mindful moves aim to exercise and expand your experience at the level of heart, of being or feeling. This is at the root of emotional intelligence, which is gaining control of your own emotions and how you interact responsibly with others at the level of feeling. In the history of human development, few know that the heart developed before the brain, giving primacy to development of ourselves as a loving, caring species. Yet this aspect of being human is often not taught overtly from a young age in many cultures. We invite you to try out each mindful move one at a time. There are 31 in no particular order, allowing for one per day over a month. Eventually, you'll probably settle on a preferred few as part of your daily routine. Our suggestion is to include a variety of mindful moves that leverage different learning tasks or allow you to develop different aspects of yourself as a person. It simply feels good to move and stretch your body in a range of ways. So why not get double duty out of your moves by including mental stimulation as well as using mindful moves? In families or other groups using the mindful moves, one person can lead the others through a series of several mindful moves in each session, rotating the leader and the exercises each time to get a taste of the wide variety and gain different benefits from each move. Results are cumulative and developed over time with consistent practice, as with most skills. The only resources needed for most of these mindful moves is yourself and sometimes other people for group experiences. The exercises will occasionally require a prop, such as when we ask you to focus on a flower or a vase. Please participate as appropriate for your health, safety, situation, space available. And enjoy.
Mindful Move 1, Belly Breathing Balloon. This exercise helps you become calmer and tuned into your own body and the surrounding environment. It reminds you that you are in control of yourself and your responses. This will be especially helpful while speaking in potentially stressful situations or to regain composure in highly emotional moments. Sit cross-legged or stand with feet shoulder width apart. Practice taking a breath in through your nose, making your tummy go out as it fills with air. Take 4 counts. Hold your breath for 4 counts. Breathe out through your mouth, pulling your tummy in as you do, 4 counts. On your next breath, raise your arms out in front of you slowly over 4 counts, as if holding a balloon, filling with air as your tummy goes out. Hold for 4 counts, arms in the air in front of you to shoulder height, parallel to the floor. Lower your arms over 4 counts, back to your sides as you exhale the air and your tummy goes in. Repeat 2 more times. Mindful Moves 2, Heaven and Earth. You will experience more balance and connection as you connect simultaneously with the earth below your feet and reach for the heavens above. Both your body and mind will gently open up, freeing your organs and your mind to work better. Stand with feet on the floor, shoulder width apart. Raise both arms to the ceiling, sky or heavens, breathing in as you reach up for 4 counts. Then exhale for 4 counts. Cross and clasp your hands together over your head and stretch slightly and gently. Right breathing in for 4 counts, then out for 4 counts, then left for 4 counts, each breathing in and out. Go back to the middle for 4 counts breathing in, then as you exhale 4 counts, gently and slowly lower your arms down to reach for your feet, the floor or the earth. While hanging down, cross both hands so that your right hand is reaching for your left foot and your left hand is reaching for your right foot. Hold breathing in 4 counts and out 4 counts. Slowly and gently raise up to a standing position. Repeat slowly 2 more times, taking advantage of the gentle stretching and deep breaths. Mindful Move 3, Hula Time. You will engage with the earth for grounding and with your inner playfulness as you cross back and forth over your body. This stimulates communication between both sides of your brain, freeing it up to work better for clarity of thinking, reading, spelling and expression. You'll also trigger endorphins and feel more relaxed and energized when you add in the smiles and fun. Stand with feet on the floor, shoulder width apart. Raise both arms to shoulder height and gracefully swing them to the left. Keep them straight and softly begin to move them in a wave fashion as if doing the hula. Yes, do make hula music and smile. Repeat on the right side, still singing along, smiling. Now raise both arms straight over your head, cross your hands at the wrist, and gracefully wave them past each other as you move them down to your body. Start over and repeat several times. Mindful move 4, get in the groove. You will activate communication between both sides of your brain with this move. This helps remove blockages and shows as stuck thinking, allowing you to be able to read, think, spell, and speak more freely and comfortably. Stand and raise one leg bent at the knee as if beginning to march. Reach the opposite hand over, cross your belly button and tap your knee, right hand to left knee or left hand to right knee. Repeat on the opposite side. Cross over and tap the opposite raised knee with your opposite hand. Continue the process, raising higher or going faster as appropriate for your space, health, or situation. You can even do get in the groove while sitting. The objective is to cross your hand over past your midsection. This is a cross-lateral exercise. If stuck, take your own hand and consciously plant it on the opposite bent knee, or let someone appropriate take your hand and move it for you, back and forth several times until you are unstuck. Once you have a rhythm and are steady on your feet, make it fun and even do this to music. Get groovy. Continue for 1 to 4 minutes. Mindful move 5, infinite potential. This move gives you practice at focus and concentration by exercising your eyes and stimulating both sides of the brain. You will tap into your brain's infinite potential by training your eyes and brain to work together to make associations and comprehend more, especially while reading and thinking. This move can be done sitting or standing in place, although we recommend starting by sitting until you get used to the movements and sensation. Sit securely, raise arms to nose level straight ahead and clasp hands together with index fingers lined up and straight out. With arms out, trace an infinite sign like a number 8 lying on its side with your fingers and follow your fingertips with your eyes. From the mid-cross point over to your body, move up and over counterclockwise, then down back through the midpoint of the infinite sign, and now up and over going clockwise, with eyes following the tips of your fingers. Make the shape a little wider than your body, and repeat this movement smoothly and slowly for 1 minute and stop. Remember to breathe deeply while doing this exercise. Already, when standing with feet securely on the floor, put your hands out front, clasp with index fingers pointed forward, and make the same movements. Up and over, counterclockwise, then down, back through the midpoint, up and over clockwise, eyes following your fingertips. Keep breathing deeply. Continue for about 1 minute. When not able to make large, bold movements due to space, health, or the situation, you can put your hands together with index fingers out and make mini movements of the infinite sign in front of you, to the right and to the left of your body. Go slowly enough not to get dizzy, or when your eyes are following the finger movements. Remember to breathe deeply. You can feel confident that you've expanded your infinite potential. Mindful move 6, Hear Ye, Hear You. Optimal learning takes place in conditions of relaxed concentration. This is a simple and discreet exercise to boost both quickly, since you bring more blood and oxygen to the brain. Use in exams, before making speeches, on a date, or any time you need to relax or concentrate instantly. Reach up to your ear and with your thumb and index finger, massage the rim of your ear, breathing deeply at the same time. Start at your earlobe, being careful if earrings are in place, and move up your ear to the top, then back down again. Switch to the other ear and do the same. Massage up and down your ear, breathing and paying particular attention to your earlobe area. You can do this exercise without anyone noticing while sitting at your desk, in a meeting, walking in a hallway, or standing in line. For a multiplier effect, cross your arms over your chest and massage your ear with the opposite hand. For supercharging effect, although harder to do discreetly, cross both arms over to the opposite ear at the same time and move up and down your ear. This is fun to do when in a group doing the mindful moves together, and makes it okay to laugh with each other as how silly you might all look. Mindful Move 7, the Recharger. Research indicates that during periods of mindfulness, when you quietly tune into whatever is happening within you and around you in the present, without giving your attention to any one thing, being relaxed yet alert both in whole brain fashion, you use zero mental energy. So it's a great way to simply and unobtrusively recharge your batteries, regain an even keel, and refocus on your current situation, your now. For 1 to 5 minutes, sit or stand quietly, breathe slowly, relaxed, and just notice everything around you. Your body, your breathing, your thoughts, any sensations, noises, smells, movement, etc. in your environment. Like a butterfly briefly landing on a flower bud before flying off, just notice. Let your thoughts flow freely, as they want to do, while breathing slowly and deeply. Should you find your mind thinking of past events or future activities, gently bring your mind back to your breathing. You will feel refreshed, recharged, and re-energized afterwards.